So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a partial kit for a rebuild here, the RP3614 from Delta. This is a 1991 install. This valve here, Delta swore up and down this was the correct kit. It's not, because the stainless steel ball is different. The cup is different here. All we did really is replace the springs and the gaskets at the back, so we disassembled everything. And of course, we're real gentle with these things. You know, we've WD-40, a little bit of turning. We showed the homeowner when we took this apart that this cup and stainless steel ball is supposed to be vertical. And, you know, I'm thinking, how could it be in there like that? Well, we can see. So if you look in there, it's hard to see because we just broke out a little bit of debris in there. But you can see there's one of the copper stems, and without, you know, if it doesn't want to focus, there's not much I can do about that. But one of the copper stems, you can see there's 3 that actually come through, 1, 2, 3, and connect it. When you try and take this outer collar off, this chrome ring, and unscrew it, if it's stuck and you try and force it, you will twist these and eventually break these. So this has been twisted. That's why it's not straight up and down. So I can't do anything about that. As long as that copper, it's soft copper and it's soldered into place back there. As long as there's no leaking in the wall, you're okay. But honestly, that's part of the problem right there. It got hammered at one point, and there's nothing I can do about that. But I did need to document that for the homeowner. Outside of that, the screws don't reach. The valve is way back in the wall, and actually the reason why they're not reaching correctly, well, I don't know why they're not reaching correctly. It's twisted at the top. There's screw holes back in there somewhere, just the valve's too deep. So I have a hard time getting the cover plate back on, but anyways, we're going to get started on the next project, which is the toilet installation, and see if there's anything else we can do with this.